Hello, I'm Ryan F9 and this is a sponsored video. I totally get if you turn it off now. But making free content is not free for us, so we appreciate Insta360 footing the bill. And we chose them as our long-term sponsor because we find their motorcycle cameras useful to people like us, but also interesting. In the case of this X6, it does 4 things that no other action camera has ever been able to do.
All passengers for Munich now boarding.
The first is Dolby Vision. Never in the industry has this been available on an action cam before, so most of us don't even know what it is. But look, see how you can pick out the details in this underpass, little needles and pills and stuff? But when you come out the other side, we have beautiful colors in the bright sun too. And that's because Dolby Vision encodes metadata alongside your footage to tell the TV what brightness and contrast settings to use. And every camera does that, but Dolby Vision doesn't do it once per video, it does it once per frame, constantly changing your player's settings so you always get a balanced image, even in highly changeable light. Though to be fair, the X6 also just has a superior video because of its superior sensor. This has a 1.1 inch sensor compared to the X5's 1.28 of an inch, and Insta worked with Sony to create a special square sensor. The old one, and most action cameras, use the traditional rectangles, which actually waste a bunch of sensor area in the 360-degree mode. The X6 also has 10-bit colors, the X5's 8-bit thanks to its 4nm AI chip, the X5's 5nm AI chip. Where the rubber meets the road, we're just talking about 8K at 50 frames per second, whereas the old one could only do 8K at 30. And of course, since 360 cameras take everything, you can frame the final product at 2.35 to 1, like Christopher Nolan does. This is why the X6 feels more like cinema and less like video, even on YouTube, which ironically doesn't even support Dolby Vision. The next new feature is hidden engine light. And if you've shot on motorcycles before, then you've cursed wind noise before. Even putting a dead cat on the microphone, you still get that of air turbulence, because inescapably sound is airwaves. Or is it? Because sound can also be taken from engine vibrations directly through your hard mounting point. And that's what the new hidden microphone inside the X6 does. It's neat physics, but if you don't fancy it, you can always go old school. The X6 now pairs to not 1, but 2 Mic Pro transmitters via Bluetooth. So if you want to take your own voice in the muffler or a passenger, you don't even really need the separate receiver anymore. Now, the third brand new feature is AI multimodal editing. And we've seen AI editors in the past, but they always cut according to a template. The AI basically takes your footage and organizing it according to how the most derivative motorcycle videos have been made in the past. But multimodal AI can actually understand multiple data types. It listens to the audio of your footage, watches the video, it reads any text, it analyzes any sensor data, basically understands everything that you've shot and uses that to create a truly bespoke vlog. For example, listen to the story of my Scoot. This is a 1998 Italjet Dragster 50, which was never sold in Canada. I bought it at a foreclosure auction and always wondered how it ended up here, until an anonymous tipster got in touch. Turns out there's a company called Inno Foods that roasts a bunch of prepackaged snacks for Costco, and the owner would travel to Italy to buy these room-sized ovens. Well, he happened to be a scooter head, so while in Italia, the guy would acquire rare bikes and smuggle them home inside these massive ovens. Perhaps baking 2 strokes runs afoul of food and safety regs because all their stuff ends up at a liquidation auction. I scarcely believe this story until my tipster starts sending photos and videos, and sure enough, that is my Italjet, which was perfectly smuggled to Canada inside of a pizza oven. Anyway, if you record that footage and that audio, then the X6 will build out the edit for you. Provided that you have AI Director enabled and that the camera is plugged in, you'll wake up to a fully finished product synced to your phone. By the way, I forgot my micro SD when I was packing for this trip, so just personally, I appreciate the fact that there's 47 gigabytes of internal storage in the X6 now, though that's not a industry first feature. No, our last groundbreaking thing, I had to put at the very end of this video, because I can't actually show you until I board that plane for Deutschland. See, our 5th novelty is 140-minute battery life, 51% more than X5, even though this has a bigger screen that now stays on permanently so riders can see their status beyond arm's reach. How Insta fit 2600 milliamp hours into the newer, stubbier body, I don't know, but that shape means it fits onto a helmet like a regular action cam. And it can now take 4K up to 120 frames per second from the single lens. So battery life and resolution make it competitive even against POV cameras. In theory, motorcyclists could buy just one device with the X6 and get every angle that they need. But I can't really judge a POV until I've seen it at speed, and I can't really speed until I'm on the Autobahn, so decide for yourselves. As always, don't buy anything you don't really need, but I'll put the link below if you do. Thanks very much for watching.